Let's talk about the 4 safety metrics that every safety professional should know for the OHST exam. The ones that tell your story of how often and how severely employees are injured. These are your key performance indicators for tracking and improving safety performance. The Total Recordable Incident Rate, or TRIR, measures all OSHA recordable injuries and illnesses per 200,000 hours worked. It's the most common safety rate and shows your overall recordable frequency. The Days Away, Restricted, or Transfer Rate, or DART, tracks only the most serious cases, the ones that pull employees off the job or restrict what they can do. It shows the true impact of injuries on operations. The Lost Workday Case Rate focuses only on cases that cause days away from work. It's a precise way to track lost time injuries, when someone can't work at all due to injury. The Restricted Duty Case Rate, or RDCR, captures cases where employees keep working but under limitations. It shows how often employees stay on the job, but not at full strength. Here's how to remember it for the exam. TRIR equals all. DART equals serious. LWCR equals lost time. And RDCR equals restricted work. Think of it as big picture, severity, lost time, restriction. That rhythm locks it in for test day. These rates aren't just exam terms. They're the language of continuous improvement. Use them to track progress, reduce risk, and communicate results clearly. For more OHST exam study help and real-world safety insight, subscribe to Field 2 Compliance, where safety knowledge meets application.